So I've come across a great little product for people working at height that work with small fasteners. You know, if you've got a job where you're up on a roof or a structure and you're working with nuts and bolts and screws and widgets, washers, whatever. If you drop one of those things, hey, and it falls down below and it just happens to strike somebody, at the wrong angle or whatever, there's a fair risk of serious injury or death to the bloke below. It's probably not a happy day for him. Now, the idea of this product is all of those bits and bobs, they go in the pouch. They're stored in the pouch. The pouch, if it goes upside down for some reason, the product doesn't come out, hey? Like, how cool is that? So this person here, or my headless mate, has got a belt on. This is what we call a comfort belt. So it's a very well padded belt. And there's belt loops on the back of this pouch, which you feed onto the belt. So you keep it on your hip. It's right there ready to grab your parts when you need them. We also do these with I don't know if you can see it, but between the two yellow lines, there's just a thin belt there. So you might not want the big, thick, padded bit. You might just want the skinny bit. And that's fine. Now, the skinny bit is probably more like the size of a belt that you'd have on your jeans or whatever. So this pouch, great little product. Hey, probably the best little product I've seen for a while. And just keeping your parts safe. You can still get your bits and bobs out whenever you need them. But yeah, how cool is that? Great little product.